Hi everybody. It just keeps getting better. So since my last video, I decided to connect the backup drive that goes with the server that I set up with the server that's been backing it up the last week, and first export a virtual server that is there. That's just a test one I created once I built the machine. Export that to a safe place, or hopefully safe, and then remove it from the hypervisor console and delete all the files on the drive, and then do a restore from the proper backup drive that's been backing up server. And guess what? It failed. Write protect errors, the same things as the other drives. And this is the drive that actually backs up the server, not one from a different server, the one that belongs to it. So anyway, it gets more bizarre. So when I look at the application job for recovery, it says no components were recovered. Status failed. Failed to recover the specified component. And then when I look at a list of all recovered files, it looks like they were recovered. And I look at all the list of failed files, there were none. It just says detailed error message. Writer experienced non-transient error. The backup process is retried. The error is likely to reoccur. And you know what else? It's in the Hyper-V console, and the files are back on the drive. And I started it up, and I'm going to check on it now. And it's at the login prompt. So I don't know what happened there. Everything says it failed, but it's back. I suspect it just put the pointer, like when I deleted the files, it was too big for the recycle bin, so I clicked yes. But you know, as we all know, when you delete files, they're still on the drive. So I think it pointed back to the original files, not restored anything. Anyway, let me just log this on here and see if it works. Yeah, logging in. So I suspect it works. As I said, I don't know what to tell you. It contradicts itself. So what the hell's going on here? Well, I got a couple theories. I went back to the driver files, and I'm looking at the hard drives. They need their firmware is HPD 4, and HPD 6 is available. I read a week ago when I first started troubleshooting this thing, there was a HPD 8 out there somewhere too, but I don't know. And then there's another driver called the HP Smart Array Gen 10 and Gen 10 Plus controller driver for Windows Server 2016, 2019, 2022. And it gives an available version, but it doesn't mention the installed version. So I don't think it's my assumption is it's using default Microsoft drivers for the Smart Array, not HP or whoever makes a Smart Array, not their drivers. So it's only showing theirs. So I'm thinking of going one or the other, and then test them one at a time and see what happens. But remember with the ILO 5 firmware ROM flash, I had to downgrade it. There's no way to downgrade the Gen 10 servers. I don't know if you can downgrade the hard disk firmware, but my gut reaction is start with the hard disk firmware and then do the controller firmware and then see what happens, and let's hope that fixes it, because otherwise, oh god, I gotta call back HP support again and have them tell me what to do to make sure it doesn't get fixed the first week. Anyway, I digress. Wish me luck, everyone. Thanks for listening. Oh, by the way, Sparky's here. Actually, pardon me, this is not Sparky. This is Rascal, because Sparky doesn't have color in his tail like that. And otherwise, the two cats are twins, except for the color in one's tail is different from the other. Anyway, Rascal doesn't like HP, he tells me. He says they build crap, and he's not going to buy it. But I said to him, but Rascal, Dell still sucks. They're not getting any better. And he says, well, what are we going to do? Are we going to buy Asus or Asus, whatever it's pronounced as? I don't think they build servers. Maybe oh, what's that off-brand server I used to get? MicroStar or something like that. I don't remember. It was a long time ago. Funniest server I ever had, and it turned out to be a really great server. Very heavy, very big. But it worked very well. I'll have to try and think of what the name of that was and tell you in the next video. Okay, I gotta search the internet a bit on this firmware and see if it's wise to install it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.